Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to this extremely simple knit with a delicate texture. The scheme consists of 2 stitches and 1 row that is repeated on both sides. We will work with loops in pairs. The knitting pattern on both sides is: pull up a long loop between the first and second loops. Knit them together through the back. Repeat to the end of the row. Pull up a long loop between the first and second loops. Knit them together. Pull up a long loop between the first and second loops. Knit them together. On the next side, the knit pattern is the same. This is the background stitch. It can be used in combination with other knitting patterns. It works well with both thin and thick yarn and can be knitted in the winter or summer applications. It has a tight structure and is rightly elastic. It can be knitted in horizontal or vertical stripes alternating with stockinette stitch. The texture looks simple but has many application options. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.